Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will be talking about SkyGold. We will talk both the Q1 FY25 result as well as what went down in the con call. And based on the guidance, we will also do a small valuation exercise, like different case scenarios. I will share the screen and I will show it to you. And that is how we're going to wrap up the video. Okay. So first, let us start with SkyGold ka business model. What does SkyGold do? Okay. SkyGold is a B2B manufacturer. That is gold jewelry ka manufacturer. Now, when you have to buy a jewelry, that is gold ka jewelry, you go to the likes of, showrooms such as Tanishq, Kalyan, Senco, Jossa Lucas and all, right? Now, let's say these people, these are B2C jewelers. Now, in jewelers ko, somebody has to manufacture and give them the different designs and everything. So, kya hoga? SkyGold is one of the players, right? Especially in an organized way. ये एक player है जो इन सब लोगों को एक ज्वेलरी जो है बना के देता है. Like कल्याण और सेनको का कस्टमर हम लोग हैं और SkyGold का कस्टमर is the likes of B2C players such as Kalyan, Senco, Tanishq and etc. people. Okay, I'm just giving an example of the brand names that you can expect. Okay, so this is exactly what SkyGold does. अगर उनका revenue का bifurcation देखते हो on basis of geography अगर आप देखते हो, you will see that 11% is coming from export. This used to be 6% earlier in the last year, and now it is 11% in this quarter. And other rest majority 86% जो है 86 to 89% जो है it is coming from आपका domestic से, ठीक है? So this is a revenue bifurcation according to geography. उसके अलावा अगर आप देखते हो, if you have to look at the other revenue bifurcation, 65% of the business आता है corporate से. When I talk about corporate, of course, the big chains that are there, like I just mentioned, Tanishq, Malabar, and all of these people, big chains of big chains of B2C jewelers अभी जो है, from that is where 65% आ रहा है, और 35% आ रहा है around roughly आ रहा है from the likes of आपका distribution करके आपका वहां से business आ रहा है, ठीक है? एक now let us see कि like अगर आपने Q4 FY25, if you have seen the result, right, you would have known if you tracked, because I keep tracking SkyGold. If you have seen the previous videos, you will know in Q4 FY25 they did exactly what they told in Q3, right? Exact to exact they have done. एक भी कमी नहीं था result में, ठीक है? And on top of that, in Q4 FY25 they not only overachieved what they told, but they came and they increased the guidance. And I've told you बार-बार मैं एक ही चीज आपको बोलती रहती हूँ, जो भी कंपनी आके गाइडेंस बढ़ाता है, that is like आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर डालना. और जो कंपनी आके बोलता है हम लोग गाइडेंस रिवाइज कर रहे हैं, कम कर रहे हैं, दैट इज लाइक शनि का बात करना. दैट इज एज सिंपल एज आई कैन मेक इट अंडरस्टैंड फॉर यू. एंड SkyGold had earlier, if you see, SkyGold had this plan or an aim to achieve 5,000 crores in revenue by FY27. Okay, and उनका जो था उनका एक they had recently had moved to this new plant of theirs at Navi Mumbai, and there they were targeting around 750 kgs of production they were targeting. Okay, now if you look at it, it had doubled. One is if you see they wanted to increase the guidance from 5,000 to 6,300 crore. Guidance वहां पे increase हुआ. That is indirectly telling आगे जाके sales growth यहाँ से भी बढ़ेगा, ठीक है? And the other thing उन्होंने बोला कि जो production it will go up to 1,015 1,015 kgs per month. Like that is they had increased the guidance in the guidance. So overall of course, right, आप आके बोल रहे हो हम केपेक्स ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, गाइडेंस इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं, प्रोडक्शन हमारा ज्यादा होगा, इट इज ऑल गुड न्यूज फॉर एन इन्वेस्टर, राइट? एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट दोस पीपल डिड एन एक्विजिशन आल्सो. दो कंपनी का एक्विजिशन किया, स्टार मंगलसूत्र और स्पार्कलिंग चेन्स बोल के, ठीक है? नाउ ऑल ऑफ दिस आप कर रहे हो, इनऑर्गेनिक केपेक्स हो रहा है एक्विजिशन की वजह से, गाइडेंस बढ़ा रहे हो, प्रोडक्शन का कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन बढ़ रहा है एंड एवरीथिंग. ऑफ कोर्स, राइट, एवरीथिंग इज गुड न्यूज. नाउ लेट अस सी Q4 में तो ये सब बोल दिया, राइट? Q1 में क्या हुआ है, एंड हैव दे whatever the guidance they had for this year, are they getting closer to, and what has been the update in Q1? अब हम इसका देखते हैं. Now, as per of Q4 they told ना, like बड़ा बातें किया. If you look at Q1, they have not only done achieved that बड़े बातें जो उन्होंने बोला, but they've also overachieved that. Okay, so let me just give you some Q1 FY25 का parameters, like some result का numbers. पहले बात तो most important thing, like I tell you, sales. Okay, sales, if you see, sales has been up by 92.4%. Okay, I just hope you're able to clock the number. Sales is up 92.4%. PAT जो है is up 98.9%. So you can see the company is enjoying profitability. What I really like about this company is पहले तो growth में तो ये भाग रहा है, ठीक है? मतलब it's unbelievable, right? आप एक quarter में Q1 over Q1 आप आके बोल रहे हो, एक normal quarter में it is not, because उनका best quarter है Q3, right? So एक normal quarter Q1 में आपका sales जो है 100%, almost 92 है, but it is almost doubled, you can tell, right? आप कर रहे हो, and on top of that आपने growth के चक्कर में, आप इतना growth के चक्कर में भाग रहे हो, but you haven't compromised on profitability just because you're running on growth, right? This is something that I really appreciate about the management, because a lot of times what happens when these kind of companies, especially when you're a small small cap company and you're growing so aggressively, right? I know you will have to, most of the times you see them sacrificing margins or profitability. But this is the first time I'm coming across where growth is at high pace, like, I mean, 92%. And on top of that, there is profitability and you're protecting, not just protecting margins. They're planning to increase the margins also from where they are right now. So overall, great set of numbers. अगर इसका वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ के बारे में बात करते हैं, in Q1 of FY25, that is in this quarter, 349 kgs per month था, ठीक है, उनका प्रोडक्शन था. ओके, अगर आप Q1 FY24 में देखते हो, it was 200 kgs per month, and Q4 में last time it was 300 kgs per month. So even on a quarter on quarter basis, you can see ये जो प्रोडक्शन है, जो per kg एक गोल्ड प्रोडक्शन होता है इनका उनका फैक्ट्री में, that has increased by 15%. And I would really like all of you actually to go open the PPT, क्योंकि वहां पे वो लोग per month और या per quarter में क्या कितना कितना kgs का प्रोडक्शन होता है, you will see there is a good amount of sequential increase. क्योंकि Q1 में 200 था, Q2 में 250 kgs per month, Q3 में 270, Q4 में 300 kgs per month, and Q1 में, again this Q1 you're seeing it as 349 kgs per month. Can you see how it has increased like tuck 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 tuck? It's a very sequential, very beautiful progress that you're seeing. ठीक है, PAT margin is stable, last time 2.8 था, अभी 2.9% है. ठीक है, so overall all in all good set of numbers, nothing to worry about. Okay, ठीक है, हम अब बात करते हैं उनका जो कॉन कॉल है. कॉन कॉल में क्या हुआ, आई विल जस्ट गो थ्रू इट. पहला बात तो डिमांड में करते हैं. दे आर नॉट सीइंग एनी काइंड ऑफ headwind in terms of demand. Demand is very strong even right now. A lot of reasons for it. One is, of course, the disposable income is increasing. Of course, if the disposable income increases, right, it becomes easier. Like you favor to buy a lot of high priced item, and that is why you're seeing gold का demand. It is already all there. The other thing is, आपको भी मालूम है कि like government जो है, अभी का government जो है, they have given a lot of push to the organized space, right? To so that everything becomes clean. So organized push के वजह से it is getting better. And Sky Gold has always been that they wanted to be the best and one of the leading players in the B2B side in the jewelry space. Because अगर आप B2C में देखते हो, B2C में organized retail jewelry that is there, it is already at a penetration of 40%. I think I do not remember which con call this is, okay, but एक con call में किसी analyst ने पूछा कि like आपका तो इतना अच्छा B2B है, आप B2C में क्यों नहीं जाते, क्योंकि आपका तो सब कुछ है, like मतलब backend भी है, why don't you go? They had really answered a very nice very nice answer they had given कि like देखो, B2C का organized retail jewelry जो है इस वक्त already 40%. और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इतना सारा प्लेयर्स है, वो लोग एक्सपैंड कर रहे हैं, नॉट जस्ट एग्जिस्टिंग बड़ा बड़ा प्लेयर्स लाइक द लाइक ऑफ तनिष्क एंड कल्याण एंड ऑल, दे आर नॉट जस्ट एक्सपैंडिंग रैपिडली, बट छोटा छोटा जो कंपनी है, जो 15 स्टोर है, वो भी एक्सपैंड कर रहे हैं. तो हम जाके वहां पे क्या एक्स्ट्रा खो देंगे, राइट? नो प्रॉब्लम. बट इफ यू लुक एट B2B, जो इन लोगों को सप्लाई करते हैं, सी अगर आप ऑर्गेनाइज रिटेल ज्वेलर हो, ठीक है, रिटेल में काम करते हो, आपको भी अच्छा लगेगा ना इफ देयर इज अ B2B, वो भी ऑर्गेनाइज ही होता है, राइट? इट विल बिकम इजियर फॉर यू टू डील विद दैट. उन्होंने बोला कि लाइक यहाँ पे तो पेनिट्रेशन है, पर B2B organized na, there is hardly any penetration, there is hardly any players over here. So that is why it is very easy for them to capture market share, and this is where their strength is, that is what they'll play. Okay, so this is other thing. And if you look at it, a lot of favorable things have happened for them because of the government policies. Pehla to is you will see that hallmarking and everything, which makes it easier for the likes of the retail jeweler to trust these people compared to any local jeweler. And other thing is like इनका जब आप organized way में करते हो, आपका एक process रहता है, which makes it again another easier thing. ठीक है, the most important thing that has happened, another good thing that has happened this quarter is, I think you would have seen in the budget also, okay, like the import duties that is there on the gold, that has been reduced, which is again favorable for them in this industry. And they see कि like अगर ये continue होता ही रहता है, the kind of demand that they have from the consumer side, the kind of policies that are there, everything goes well, they see this kind of growth happening for another 2 to 3 years, and they don't see any kind of headwind. So ये हुआ पहला वाला चीज. ठीक है, अब अगर हम उनका कस्टमर के बारे में करते हैं, उनका टॉप 5 कस्टमर है मलाबार का ये कास्टिंग ज्वेलरी करता है, इट कंट्रीब्यूट्स अराउंड 9% टू देयर रेवेन्यू. ठीक है, मलाबार इज देयर बिगेस्ट क्लाइंट, फॉलोड बाय कल्याण व्हिच इज अराउंड 7%, देन सेनको ज्वेलर्स, देन जॉस अलोकास, भीमा ज्वेलर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दीस पीपल आर नॉट ओनली केटरिंग टू दीस ऑलरेडी बिग एस्टैब्लिश्ड चेन्स हु आर आल्सो एक्सपैंडिंग रैपिडली, बट ये लोग अभी क्या कर रहे हैं कि लाइक ये जो मिड रेंज ऑफ कस्टमर्स जो होते हैं ना, जिसका साल का टर्नओवर होता है 50 या 100 करोड़, उस दैट लेवल का, they're targeting them also, because those people are also expanding at a very rapid pace. Because this mid economic retail jewelers jo hai, they might be having around like 15 to 20 stores right now in this year, but these people are planning such aggressive expansion ke like aage jaake 2-3 saal mein ye chote chote players ka bhi 15 se 100 stores ho jayega, right? So if these people are going from 15 to 100 kind of stores in like less than 2 to 3 years, who will get benefited against Sky Gold? So this is where the demand is coming from, okay, both from the customer side as well as a lot of policies favorable for the government. ठीक है, सो दैट वाज फर्स्ट थिंग दे मेंशन्ड इन द कॉन कॉल. उसके अलावा अगर मैं बात करती हूँ उनका वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ, मैंने जो हाईलाइट किया है कि लाइक दे आर इंप्रूविंग द वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ एवरी क्वार्टर, दैट इज वन थिंग. नॉट ओनली दैट, उनका जो डिजाइन है पर मंथ में इतना इतना डिजाइन बनाते हैं वो. इन ऑगस्ट, आई थिंक इन द मंथ ऑफ Q1 FY25 they had, or in the month of August, I'm not sure, they had around 2000, not in the month of August because right now we are in August, right? But in Q1 FY25 they bought out 2000 SKUs per month. It is not a joke. Can you imagine 2000 SKUs per month? And they also see this also increasing. So overall, again good. Okay. The other thing is, agar aap unka dekhte ho right now, if you look at, I have all the notes because I was listening to the con call live and I was taking the notes. So मैंने सब notes WhatsApp में ले लिया. But हाँ, आपने तो सुना ही होगा Q4 FY25 में they had bought वो जो acquisition था, right? Sparkling Chain and Star Mangalsutra. So what had happened now, because these acquisition also they are adding, but other than that, what is happening is they were earlier focused on making 22 karat jewelry, okay? And agar आप Indian market का gold jewelry देखते हो, like majority, around more than 90% is coming from 22 karat का jewelry. उतना कुछ खास नहीं था when you talk about 18 karat या diamond jewelry. But slowly you're seeing that the market is moving more towards that diamond jewelry, 18 karat ka gold. So now what they're doing, they want to venture into that also. Basically, they want to give the entire product portfolio to their customers. Okay. So earlier they used to manufacture only 22 karat ka gold. Now they want to do 18 karat as well as the diamond jewelry. So that is why what they're doing is, और उनके पास already space है उनका plant में, right? Navi Mumbai का plant में. So what they're doing is उन्होंने एक fund raise का ये किया है, which is around 280 crores they're planning to raise funds, not just for this but also to improve the acquisition जो उनका Sparkling Chain और Star Mangalsutra है, ठीक है? These two they want to do it. And this fundraise either could be through warrant, could be through QIP. They have not yet decided which route they want to go for this fundraise. And whenever they plan to do this fundraise, it will be informed through the exchange. उन्होंने वही बोला है, ठीक है? So that is the other thing. The last thing I would tell you is in terms of Tanishq, because I think when the first time this stock came into the radar, I think there was this news कि like ये लोग Tanishq को client जैसा acquire कर रहे हैं. But it is still in the process. They're just waiting for confirmation क्योंकि Tanishq का इतना first of all, see, whenever you have to acquire a new client, it is a very tedious and lengthy process, first of all, because you're talking about a gold, it's a matter of trust, and it is a high ticket item also, right? So that is there. The other thing was, earlier unka jo plant tha, before they got shifted to this new 80,000 square feet ka plant, earlier ka plant jo tha, it was hardly 20 to 20,000 square feet, and Tanishq was not really happy with it ki like itna chota sa plant se hamara kaam to nahi hoga. So now since they have moved to the new plant, the Tanishq people have come again, they've done the entire pro checking and everything. All the talks have been done, they're just waiting for the confirmation ki like ye kab hoga. So that is the update on Tanishq. That is the other thing. Okay. The last thing is उनका जो ये है, what is that? You would have seen, right, कि like import का duty घटा है on gold prices. But having said that, they do not have any impact on inventory because all of their gold prices are hedged. So that is not something to be worried about. So that is more or less what exactly happened in the con call. Not much. Just more on that only कि like focus है उनका market share. They want to capture more penetration into corporate. क्योंकि अभी उनका देखते हो तो 65% corporates है, 35% distribution say they want to penetrate more and more to that, and also doing all of this while maintaining profitability. Nothing much more other than that. वही कि like उनको 18 karat और diamond with jewelry में जाना है. Export का इस साल के अंदर they want to have around 9 to 10% of the revenue coming from export, and yeah, they're also trying to get, because अगर आप अभी export में देखते हो, they are in Singapore, GCC countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE and all. Going forward, they want to also capture the US market. That is what they've told. So that is that about Sky Gold का call में क्या हुआ. Okay. Last चीज करते हैं कि like guidance में क्या हो, because we know कि like 6,300 crores is by FY27, but what about this year, FY25, FY24, FY25 का क्या है? So FY24, FY25 the management has told, पहला चीज है एक, हम लोग सिर्फ Sky Gold as a parent company we will be able to clock 2,700 crores in revenue just with Sky Gold. Okay, but if I add the acquisition, if you look at acquisition, those people were doing around, I think, 200-300 crores last year, but with Sky Gold's help they can extrapolate this revenue to around 500 crores each, right? In total, 500 crores in total. So you can expect totally, with including the acquisition they've done, you will expect like somewhere between 3,200 to 3,300 crore ka revenue you can expect from the Sky Gold this year. Not only that, agar aap unka PAT margin dekhte ho, as of Q1 FY25, the PAT margin is 2.9%, right? And other thing is, you would have known कि like Sky Gold is moving towards gold metal loan. ये gold metal loan क्या है, earlier Sky Gold would take cash from the bank, okay, and now instead of taking, and they would use it in their inventories and everything. Now instead of taking cash from the bank, what they're doing is they're directly taking gold as a loan. And अभी ये gold metal loan लेने से क्या होगा, कैश में अगर आप कैश का लोन लेते हो, then the interest on that is around 12 to 13% या 9% minimum corporate tax. But gold metal loan में आपका इंटरेस्ट है 4 to 4.5%. So as a result क्या होगा, आपका जो हाउ डू आई पुट दिस, आपका जो ये है फाइनेंस कॉस्ट जो है, इंटरेस्ट कॉस्ट कम होगा, इंटरेस्ट कॉस्ट कम होगा, फाइनेंशियल या एक्सपेंसेस कम होगा, आपका क्या पैट ज्यादा होगा, पैट मार्जिन ज्यादा होगा अल्टीमेटली एज अ रिजल्ट, राइट? सो वी दैट वाज द आइडिया आई थिंक दे गिव इन Q3 and they did a QIP also. I think they raised 120-150 crores for this, because they have to keep that money in FD too in order to get gold metal loan, ठीक है? And in this year the gold metal loan is supposed to start as of Q1 FY25. 10% is coming from financing is coming from gold metal loan. September का quarter, that is in Q2 में 30 to 40% will come from gold metal loan, and the last quarter, that is the Q3 का quarter जो है, not the last quarter, Q3 का quarter में 100% will come from gold metal loan. So the more and more they move towards gold metal loan, क्या होगा, finance cost कम होगा, profit बढ़ेगा, PAT margin बढ़ेगा. So the PAT margin will go from 2.9% to 3.5% by the end of the year, ठीक है? Now इसके हिसाब से हम valuation का calculation करते हैं और 1 year forward P निकालते हैं, ठीक है? I'll just show you. ठीक है, स्क्रीन शेयर हो रहा है एंड ठीक है, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे स्काई गोल्ड का, राइट? Yeah, so like I told you, I'll just explain to you over here. I think this is quite self-explanatory, ठीक है? FY25 का FY24 का revenue, that is last year का revenue कितना था? 1745 crore. FY24 का PAT कितना था? 40 करोड़, ठीक है? और आज का अगर if you take MCAP is 3,130 crore. Okay, so let me take the worst possible case scenario. Worst possible case scenario क्या होगा यहाँ पे? ये लोग पैट मार्जिन 3.5% नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है? कुछ भी हो सकते हैं ना, because we live in a very dynamic world. Who knows? एक क्वार्टर यहाँ इधर उधर हो सकता है and everything. Because of that, let us assume कि like कुछ गंदा चीज हो सकता है, but God forbid. Case 1 PAT margin will be 3%, conservative approach. But the case 2 is when PAT margin जो management बोला है वो करके ही दिखाएगा, ठीक है? That is 3.5%, ठीक है? Now based on the expected revenue, मैंने एक revenue लिया 2,700 crore, which is सिर्फ Sky Gold का revenue. Assuming that let's say वही acquisition का कुछ problem हुआ, because see, they have not yet done completely the acquisition. Acquisition का revenue जो है complete 100% का revenue आएगा with full force in Q3 or in Q2 it will come. So let us assume कि like यहाँ पर भी एक conservative approach लेते हैं. Let's say this acquisition or whatsoever, God forbid, it gets delayed and it will take a lot more time. So let us take सिर्फ Sky Gold से ही एक revenue आएगा. So that is case number 1 in that. Okay. The second thing is 3,000. उन्होंने बोला ना that we will be achieving around 3,200 to 3,300 crores in revenue. So I've taken both the cases also. Okay, in that also. इसके हिसाब से अगर हम देखते हैं FY24 का revenue कितना था? 1745. So comparison with that and this expected FY25 का revenue, you will see ये हमारा sales growth है. This is the sales growth you can expect on year basis, ठीक है? And based on PAT, because की PAT margin का formula क्या है? ठीक है, PAT margin मैं यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ. PAT margin is equal to net profit. PAT ये कैप्स का क्या हुआ? पैट मार्जिन इज इक्वल टू नेट प्रॉफिट डिवाइडेड बाय आपका टोटल सेल्स जो है, ठीक है? दैट इज योर. हमें हमारा पैट मार्जिन मिला है यहाँ पे, हमने अज्यूम किया यहाँ पे 3% है बिकॉज कंजर्वेटिवली सेल्स का हमें यहाँ पे मिल गया, ठीक है? सो पैट मार्जिन इज 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 100, 0.03 इनटू सेल्स. हमने डिफरेंट केस स्टडी के लिए हमारे यहाँ पे पैट मिल जाएगा. सो पैट मिला 81, 96, 99 फॉर डिफरेंट केस, ठीक है? FY24 का पैट कितना था? 40 करोड़. सो कंपेयर FY24, 81 माइनस 40 डिवाइडेड बाय 40 कितना होगा पैट का ग्रोथ? आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे मैंने दिया है पैट ग्रोथ ईयर ऑन ईयर कितना होगा. नाउ इसके हिसाब से हम 1 ईयर फॉरवर्ड पी लेते हैं. 1 ईयर फॉरवर्ड पी क्या है? मार्केट कैप डिवाइडेड बाय नेट प्रॉफिट. सो हमने केस 1 में कितना नेट प्रॉफिट दिया? एक्सपेक्टेड पैट जो भी हमारा मार्केट कैप है 3130 डिवाइडेड बाय एक्सपेक्टेड पैट, हमारा ये 1 ईयर का फॉरवर्ड पी है. ये केस हमने लिया कितना? पैट मार्जिन 3% के लिए, ठीक है? नाउ लेट्स से वेरी गुड केस के लिए पैट मार्जिन 3.5% होएगा ही होएगा, 100% होएगा, ठीक है? बिकॉज मैनेजमेंट ने बोला है तो ये करके दिखाएगा. एनीवेज एग्जीक्यूटेड फॉर द लास्ट 1 ईयर, इस साल भी करेगा, ठीक है? अगर ये केस हुआ, अगेन द सेम सिचुएशन 2700 करोड़, अज्यूमिंग दैट एक्विजिशन से कोई रेवेन्यू नहीं आएगा इस साल. नाउ इंक्लूडिंग एक्विजिशन कितना हो सकता है? 3200 टू 3300 इन रेवेन्यू. ठीक है, तो कितना हुआ सेल्स ग्रोथ कंपेयर टू लास्ट ईयर? यही हुआ, ये पैरामीटर्स हुआ सेल्स ग्रोथ का. ठीक है, एंड अदर देन दैट इफ यू लुक यहाँ पे पैट सेम थिंग, इंस्टेड ऑफ हियर पैट मार्जिन यहाँ पे कितना था? 0.3 था, 0.03, बट हियर इट इज 3.5, सो 0.35 होगा, 0.035. सो एक्सपेक्टेड पैट कितना होगा? वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग बिकॉज ऑफ डूइंग दिस कैलकुलेशन ये होगा. एंड पैट ग्रोथ कितना है? कैन यू इमेजिन? 40 से इसको माइनस करके डिवाइड करना है. पैट ग्रोथ कितना है ईयर ऑन ईयर? एंड सेम कैलकुलेशन यहाँ पे मार्केट कैप डिवाइडेड बाय द नेट प्रॉफिट. दिस इज व्हाट यू गेट. ठीक है, नाउ लुक एट बोथ ऑफ दिस. दिस इज द वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो. दिस इज द वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे नॉट ओनली अज्यूम कर रहे हैं कि 3% पैट मार्जिन है, मैनेजमेंट विल नॉट अचीव, एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट वी आर अज्यूमिंग कि यहाँ पे कोई भी एक्विजिशन का रेवेन्यू नहीं आएगा. अगर आपने वर्स्ट के सिनारियो भी पकड़ा ना, आप देखो आपको 55% का सेल्स ग्रोथ मिल रहा है और पैट तो डबल हो रहा है. ठीक है, सेल्स भी दुगना रेट से बड़ा हो रहा है, एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट यू गोइंग टू गेट इमेंस ऑपरेटिंग लेवरेज एंड द स्टॉक इज एट 38.6 पी. आप मुझे बोलो 55% का आपको ग्रोथ इंजन मिल रहा है 38.6 पी से, दैट टू इन दिस जमाना, राइट? इट्स लाइक मी टेलिंग माय मॉम टेलिंग मी इन माय हमारे जमाने में ये होता है. होप यू गेट द एनालॉजी ओवर हियर. And this is the best case scenario where we are thinking कि like 3.5% भी करेगा, ये पैट मार्जिन करेगा, and on top of that revenue जो है तगड़ा से तगड़ा 3,300 भी करेगा. Then also you see sales जो है literally double हो रहा है, like almost double, you can tell 89%, and PAT जो है almost 4.2x से PAT will grow by 4.2x, and आपका 1 year forward P कितना है? 27. So based on the best case scenario and the worst case scenario, you can tell 1 year forward P जो है आपका is coming in the range of 27 to 38.6, उस रेंज में आ रहा है. एंड आप बोलो आपको 55 से 89% का ग्रोथ इंजन मिल रहा है, एंड हाउ यू आर गेटिंग इट at this P, and I can tell you this, if it continues to execute what it has done, I'll just turn this off. By the way, if you need, just take a screenshot of it, so on your screen, so it becomes easier for you. By the way, if it is able to execute the best case scenario ना, अगर ये करता है, P re-rating यहाँ से भी होगा at this rate also, and stock upper circuit में upper circuit खाएगा. I'm telling you this, like this, it's like, I mean, it's bonkers to have this company do even like 90% का kind of sales growth in 1 year, and that to 4x in PAT. Like bro, what are you even talking? Like it's just crazy, even to assume over there. So that is the thing with Sky Gold. I mean, I've literally covered everything. आपको जो देना है मैंने सब कुछ दे दिया है. अभी आप करो कि like ये वैल्यूएशन चीप है, एक्सपेंसिव है. मैं सिर्फ एक चीज बताना चाहती हूँ कि like जो भी कंपनी हो उसको ट्रैक करते रहना. दैट इज ऑल दैट इज देयर. एज अ रिटेल, आई एम आल्सो रिटेल इन्वेस्टर. That is the only thing that is there in our power. You can track, and based on tracking you have to keep changing your allocation. That is all you can do. PEV sub chota, because ultimately you will see even Sky Gold, which used to be at a high P, these kind of stocks also will make money. The same, there are some high P stocks that will also not make money for you. You will see there is, I'll give you a very simple example. Okay, there is Trent, right? Trent is I think what right now at 120 130 PE में है. पैसा तो बना रहे हैं ना shareholders के लिए. On the other hand, Asian Paints is also high PE engine only at the end of the day. पर वो पैसा बना रहा है. Page Industries वो पैसा बना रहे हैं क्या shareholders के लिए? No. So the problem is not PE over here. The problem is growth. The fact that when the pace of growth comes down, the same high valuation that has been rewarded because of good performance, the same high valuation becomes an enemy for that stock. So the underlying parameter, the difference between two stocks, whether it is Trent, Asian Paints and Page, you will see it is not the problem of valuation. ये सब लोग आके बोलेंगे अरे respect valuation, मारो उन लोगों को एक. This is not the problem with valuation. The problem is with growth. When the pace of growth comes down, okay, it is a huge problem, because like I told you, whenever you perform well, the market will end up rewarding you, okay, and you will have to continuously keep performing at that same rate for that market to keep rewarding you with higher valuation. But just then आपका growth, I mean, you do not have to degrow yourselves, but even that pace of growth जो है 40% का इंजन अभी 30 में आ गया ना, तभी वो प्रॉब्लम है. एंड दैट इज व्हेन यू विल सी थोड़ा, दैट इज वेरी रुकावट आ जाएगा उस स्टॉक में, एक ब्रेक लग जाएगा वहां पे. दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम ओवर हियर. द सेम थिंग विद एस आल्सो, एक्शन कंस्ट्रक्शन इक्विपमेंट. लुक एट इट ना, 40% से ग्रो कर रहा था, गाइडेंस रिवाइज किया, 15% किया. अभी आप बोल सकते हो वैल्यूएशन. नो, द प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट वैल्यूएशन. द प्रॉब्लम इज द पेस ऑफ ग्रोथ कम हुआ, एंड द मार्केट डजंट केयर. घंटा फर्क पड़ता है मार्केट को, मतलब आपका कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो मार्केट को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. मार्केट को सिर्फ एक चीज से फर्क पड़ता है, वो है अर्निंग्स ग्रोथ. वो दिमाग में रख लो आप, ठीक है. दैट इज द ओनली एंड ओनली थिंग दैट मैटर्स टू द मार्केट. दैट इज इट. And if you are able to get a high growth engine plus profitability, bro, you literally hit a double jackpot. That is all I can tell. Okay. The only thing I will tell you over here is, like I told you, when you're writing this, I'm not talking with respect to Skyboard, I'm just talking in respect to general, whether it is high valuation stock. The problem is you're just riding with the tiger, क्योंकि एक quarter में भी ना वो एक एक break आ जाता है ना, that is where you just get stuck over there. So it is very imperative, because see, we live in a very dynamic world, right? कि like एक कहाँ पे war होता है बांग्लादेश में, कुछ I don't know, something will go wrong in terms of उनका production, and यहाँ पे कोई sales नहीं मार सकता. So we live in a very dynamic world where you can't predict what will happen tomorrow. So that is why I keep telling, ट्रैक द मैनेजमेंट, कॉन कॉल पढ़ो, इन्वेस्टर पीपीटी पढ़ो, जो भी आपका कंपनी, जो भी है आपका कंपनी में पोर्टफोलियो में, लर्न व्हाट यू होल्ड, आपका जो भी होल्डिंग्स है उसको पढ़ो, मैनेजमेंट को टेक मैनेजमेंट इनटू अकाउंटेबिलिटी, लिसन टू देम, they make decisions according to that, right? Track it, track it, track it. That's all I can tell, and you literally crack the market. Just track and make changes according to that. Sky Gold ka bhi hai. Right now, Sky Gold is like it looks like a very good, it's a very good company right now. But let's say, God forbid, I mean, I do not want any of the shareholders here to lose money, but I'm just telling you, like, agar kuch ho jata hai, let's say with or without management's fault, whatsoever happens, then you have to, do what is right as an investor. You can't be emotionally attached to the business. So the only thing what we can do is just keep tracking this Sky Gold ka business and see and hope that ये लोग आगे जाके 3.5% PAT margin करेगा, 3,300 crores का revenue करेगा and everything, right? So that's that. I mean, everything is there. I would also expect you all to just go read Sky Gold का con call, so even you get an idea, because आप लोग मुझसे पूछते रहते हो कि like आपको इतना information कैसे मिलता है? Like भाई, मैं बार बार बोल के थक चुकी हूँ कि like मैं सिर्फ पीपीटी और कॉन कॉल पढ़ती हूँ, वही से मेरा सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन है. आप भी जाके पढ़ो, यही डॉक्यूमेंट है, उसी से ही मैं पढ़ती हूँ, आप भी वही पढ़ो. एंड जब आप पढ़ोगे आपको मालूम पड़ेगा मैं कुछ अलग नहीं बोल रही हूँ, वही बोल रही हूँ जो कॉन कॉल और पीपीटी में है. ठीक है? सो इवन यू गाइस रीड इट, देयर इज नथिंग, लेट अस ऑल रीड and let us all educate one another. That is all we can do, right? So that's it with Sky Gold. I'll see you in another video. Okay, chalo, take care and bye.